Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today is Saturday and when I woke up this morning I was 65.7. So it's an overnight gain of 700 grams. Let's see what I did yesterday to justify that gain. So first of all, I woke up after an insomnia, was very tired, had black coffee again, and broke my fast around 11:30, so I fasted for 16 hours. I broke it with my protein shake, no problem there. I decided not to go to the gym and not to walk. Don't know why. It was raining, but it wasn't that bad. So I did not move. I did not go to the gym. I didn't do anything. I think I did like 135 steps total during the day. After that, during the afternoon, as I was home, and bored because I was working, I wasn't walking in nature, I wasn't having any kind of healthy entertainment, I decided to have a little bit of chocolate, a little snack. So I had, cheese and crackers, and yeah, I ate a lot of chocolate. It's fine. It's absolutely, it's fine. I'm just saying that amount of chocolate plus no walk plus no gym definitely meant calorie surplus, not even maintenance, surplus for the day total. So let's look at the data. I have eaten my last meal around 7 p.m, finished at 8 p.m. I had prawns, garlic prawns with beer sauce, potatoes, and asparagus, and it was really good. It was really good. I wasn't really that hungry, and that's a shame because that meal is probably going to be the Friday night meal from now on for the next few weeks. I love it. It's just that I wasn't super hungry, and I hate eating with no appetite. I like to be hungry when I have a meal. Overall, the total calorie for the day is 2,070 calories and 93.1 grams of protein. Okay. So now this is very interesting. I want to talk about this. This is totally normal on a weight loss journey to go up and down, but that's a big up. This is 700 grams, right? Since I started Monday to do this vlog, I literally lost what I regained in one night yesterday, okay? So this is to show you how the scale, there's no way I regained 700 grams in one night. Not at 2,070 calories. Even if I didn't walk, I didn't go to the gym. There's no way. And that's really to show you that the scale is an indicator, but please do not get caught up on the numbers, okay? Number two, I want to say to you, I was bored, okay? I was working all day long. I did work a lot. Like I literally from 6 a.m. to 7 p.m. when I had dinner, I worked. So I did a lot of work. That's amazing. That said, I was super bored. I was literally spent like 11 hours in front of my computer, and that's not super enlightening to me. I like to break midday, have lunch or have a lunch break, walk, go to the gym. I work really early and I finish really late, but I like to be in during the day anyway, to have access to vitamin D, the sun, pure air, to just move my body. And I didn't do that yesterday, and I didn't go to the gym the day before. If you remember, I did go for a walk, which was great, but I didn't go to the gym. So overall, the reason why I had so much chocolate, it was literally, the chocolate was really good and it entertained me. It made me feel like I was having some kind of happiness because my work at the computer was really monotonous. And that's why it's really hard to try to lose weight when we are not in line, we're not super happy, we're not having the best time of our lives. That's why food is a really good ally to help us. But at the same time, if we choose higher calorie items such as chocolate, obviously it's going to be a little harder to lose weight. What I would do is look back, say, okay, yesterday, what can I do with it? Instead of going, this is not working, I'm eating too many carbs or whatever. Just know that, look back, look at what happened during the day and see how you can change it the day after. Like today, for example, it is ridiculously rainy. It's supposed to clear up a little bit during the afternoon. It's Saturday. I'm still working. I've been working since this morning, but I know I need to get out of the house, and I know I need to go to the gym, and I'm excited about it because I have cabin fever after a full day yesterday not going out. So my entertainment is going to be to breathe pure air, fresh air, and see nature. And I know that while I'm walking in nature, while I'm walking in a city, I don't want to eat. I don't want to reach for the chocolate. I don't have that craving because I am actually occupying my time with something very valuable. So that's all I want to say. Obviously, there's a lot to say about emotional eating and boredom and how to address that during the weight loss journey. But for now, I just want to show you through my example that it's absolutely normal, that it can happen. And if it does, please don't beat yourself up for that. It's totally normal. I'm just going to eat my meal prep today. I'm simply going to have, probably gonna have chocolate tonight if I feel like it or not a lot, and I will really hope that this rain stops so I can go for my lovely walk that I really enjoy. And so if you haven't found a healthy way to move your body like that you actually enjoy, whether that's jogging or walking or swimming or just, I don't know, just anything, try to look into it, because for my mental health anyway, I said, that's very important for me to go out for a few hours in a row and just forget about everything. Whether I'm in a good mood or bad mood, it doesn't matter. It's just, it just resets everything. So I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.